Welcome. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we'll be building part 1-08, the front beam angle of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I am G-Tex, and we're building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. For this episode, we're going to be doing part 1-8 front beam angle. So we open up our template there. So we'll go into probably top angle, and we're going to create a box. That'll do. Might work. We'll find out. Done. There we go. Beautiful. So, yep. So that's, we want L shape. It can be upside down. Doesn't matter which way really. But it's going to be 25 by 25. Yeah. So it's going to be 25.5, 25.5, and most likely 3. Yep. I love that 3 number. 3. Now it doesn't matter where the numbers are in this, because this doesn't affect the technical drawing when you do that. So, but it's just nice to have the outside so you can see it. Okay, so now we want to go feature, extrude. This is going to be mid plane. It's going to be 26 plus 25, which is 51. There you go, that's 51 back again. You'll pop up somewhere. And that one's done. There we go. Now we want to go to where we fillet 3, that corner, and done. That's what I'm thinking. Fillet 1.5, this corner, and done. There we go. So we're going to save this as 108, 1-08. Yes, we want to overwrite. Yeah, when I started this series, I've done quite a few episodes or parts, and I realised that I had this wrong thing. I was thinking the parts were in inches for some reason. They were in millimeters, so I had to change to say millimeters. So I had to start again. So that's fine. I enjoyed doing it. So I was frustrated, yes, but yeah, live and learn. Okay, so we want to actually shove 2 holes in. Actually, we want to trim as well. So I might do the trim first. So actually, let's do the holes first. Hole wizard. These are, yeah, I think they're 8. 8 or 5, doesn't say. I think these are 5. If we find it later they're wrong, we can come back and change it. Just that I can't see it on the drawing there where it says what size hole they are. So I'm pretty sure they're 5, because the other parts brackets are 5, so I'm pretty sure they're 5. So let's do that one. So 1, 2. You can't do the other side, but you can do one plan at a time. Measurements is going to be 13, 25, and that should be 13. 13, beautiful. Now before we forget, oh, doing measurements, am I? Get measurements, thank you. Do the horizontal, there we go. And from this, no, from the back, it's going to be 13 as well. There we go. That's there. So let's just do OK and OK. I missed. What? The end face cannot turn. What? The end face cannot terminate the extruded feature. What do you mean? Oh! I got facing the wrong way. That's probably from the last episode. Let me unclick that. There you go. Yeah, so it couldn't extrude anything because there's nothing to extrude. Okay. Yeah, because I'm recording all these back to back, so so it's still set up from before the last piece where we went one way and then the other. So, okay. Let's go back to normal. Thank you very much. Now we need to go to sketch on this one. So I need to go corner. Lock. Make sure you don't click on that, otherwise it's going to be locked. And there. Now we can go smart dimensions. It's going to be 10. Yep. That was thought 24. It's another part I was done earlier or later. There's going to be 10, 10. Now we can always do this recreate down there, but I'm going to show you a way to create this. This is not hard to recreate. You can do it quite easily. But we're going to do a mirror entities. We want that one's going to be top. So we want top one's going to be mirror, and then we're going to mirror about. Sorry, wrong one. Top, then mirror the entities, which is this line, and this line. And that's going to be okay. See, now you got it done there. That's it. Doesn't have much to do with triangle, but I just want to show you this. That way you get something more complicated. You don't need to recreate it. And feature, extrude, through all, and okay. There we go. That piece is done. Now we've got to do the exact same to this side. Let's cut the pieces out this time. We'll do it the opposite way. So there. So this is going to be 10, 10. That's good. Yep. So go mirror, about, mirror about. Especially what you're using as the center point. It's going to be top, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Missed it for some reason. There. Feature, extrude, through all, and done. Now let's do the hole. What if I do an opposite? So this is exact same 555. Yep. All through. 1, 2. Maybe line them up. Beautiful. Dimensions gonna be. Ooh, hold on. One's different than the other. I do 13 or 12 and a half before. I think I did 13. This is 25. This is the same. Get out of there, thank you. Oop. The way to measure again from that's what's happening there. So, and this is 13. I did 12. I did 13 for because I remember the exact same. So, but now this one is 12.5. For some reason it's 12.5. 13, 25. So that should be good, and that should be good. Yeah, just to make sure on that, let me just. Oh, wrong one. That one. Yep, 13. Beautiful. That one's 12. Yep. Beautiful. Okay, just want to make sure. Just want to make sure on that. So that is that done. Yes, it is. So that is that piece done. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Really can't wait to get these pieces together so you can start seeing what it's going to look like. So if you enjoyed the episode, click that like button. It does help me out. If you've got any comments, got any questions, got any queries, got anything at all, leave them comments below. Love hearing what guys and girls. Also, too, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. And thank you for everyone that has subscribed. I appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.